Hi, we are in Long Beach Club Nature in Didim, Turkey. This is the room 7502 and this is our room sharing with 4 of us. There is a wardrobe here and some stuff. You've got one bed, single bed, another single bed, double bed, sofa, coffee table, TV, a scary wasp, mirror. What's in here? Looks like a mini fridge. Let's have a look if there's anything in here. Oh, whoops! Pepsi's fallen out. And upstairs. Here is the upstairs. Double bed. Oh, and this is the shower room. There. Is this a door to a balcony? Yep. Balcony. Oh, that's what we need. Little balcony, and that's the view. Ta-da!